Today, the angels brought a powerful revelation, something that will deeply stir your heart. There is a person in your life who is plotting something that will surprise you in a way you never imagined. Do not be alarmed by the term plotting, because in fact, the angels show that what is to come is something that can change the course of your emotional life, something that can bring profound transformations. This person, who may have appeared distant or even confused, is facing an internal battle. Within them, a force is growing, a desire to act that until recently was hidden, suppressed by doubts and fears they have carried for so long. But now, the angels show that all of this is about to change. There are clear signs that this person has been guided by forces beyond their control. The angels are working in their energetic field, opening doors and creating situations that once seemed impossible. This person is in a process of awakening, recognizing that the feelings they have for you can no longer be ignored or suppressed. This revelation will catch you by surprise, as you have grown accustomed to a certain distance, to an absence of declarations or actions. But what is to come will shake your certainties. The angels want you to prepare for this. They show that, although this surprise may seem grand and wonderful, it will also bring challenges. This move, this attitude that this person is about to take, will be driven by an energy that has been building for a long time, perhaps from past lives, and now seeks to resolve emotional issues between you. The connection that exists between you is much deeper than you imagine. It is not just a meeting of souls, it is a reunion that is laden with purpose and a spiritual mission. You may have felt at some point that this person was pulling away, that maybe their interest was fading, but the angels want you to know that, in reality, what was happening was a preparation. This person needed this time of silence and distance to sort out their feelings, to understand what this connection really meant. And now that the angels are guiding the next steps, you will see a sudden change, an invitation, a declaration, an unexpected gesture, something that will surprise you and bring out all the feelings that were dormant. There is a strong energy around this situation, something the angels describe as a key moment in your love life. This person's move towards you will open doors that were once locked. But with these doors open, there will also come the need to face emotional challenges that may arise. The angels ask you to keep the faith and patience, because this is a delicate process. What is about to happen will not only stir your feelings but also change the way you see love and relationships. This person, in a way, was lost in their own fears. They feared what they felt. They were afraid of the consequences of this love. But now, the angels show that the internal barriers are crumbling. The defenses this person built over time, the armors they wore to protect their heart, are falling apart. This means they will act differently, and that's where you need to be prepared. The angels ask you to keep your heart open and receptive. This is a moment when you will need to be the anchor, the safe harbor. While this surprise may bring joy, it can also be laden with uncertainties for this person. They will be vulnerable, and it's at this point that you must show the strength within you, the ability to embrace without judgment and to love unconditionally. You may not even be expecting this, but love has mysterious ways of manifesting itself. This surprise will open paths that seemed impossible before, and the angels want you to know that this is a unique opportunity. It's not just any movement, but something guided by the divine, planned so that both you and this person can evolve together. The angels are showing that this person, despite all the internal movement that is happening, still carries some fears within them. Fears that were built throughout life, with painful experiences and frustrations that left deep marks. They may not have clearly shown everything they feel, but the angels reveal that, deep down, their heart has been a battlefield between the love they feel for you and the fear of fully surrendering. What this person is plotting is something that will surprise them as much as it will surprise you. They have been intensely reflecting on what they feel, on the choices they have made, and on the paths they have taken. And finally, they are reaching a conclusion. They can no longer run away from what they feel. They can no longer deny that the connection between you is real and powerful. This movement, this surprise that is on its way, is a kind of surrender. They are surrendering to what their heart has always known, but that the mind has tried to resist for so long. You will probably notice subtle changes in this person's behavior. Small gestures, longer looks, a smile that reveals more than words could say. These signs are the prelude to what is to come. The angels say that, although you may have sensed something in the air, you will still be surprised by the intensity of what is about to happen. It's as if the universe is aligning itself to bring this revelation at the exact moment when both you and this person are ready to deal with what is to come. And this revelation is not just a change of attitude, it is an opening of the heart. This person will allow themselves to be vulnerable in a way they never have before. They will allow themselves to show their weaknesses, their fears, but also the intense love they feel for you. And this vulnerability is something they have been avoiding for a long time because to them, opening their heart means exposing themselves to the risk of being hurt again. But the angels are working to dispel these insecurities, to bring clarity and courage to this person so that they can finally act with their heart. What the angels want you to know is that, despite all the hesitation that this person has had in the past, the love they feel for you is real. And this love is about to manifest itself in a much clearer way than before. Maybe you have had doubts, maybe you have questioned if all of this was worth it, but the angels are here to assure you that yes, it is worth it. Because what is being prepared for you has very deep roots, something that was planned in the spiritual realms long before you met in this life. This meeting between the two of you was not by chance. The angels show that there is a greater purpose behind all of this. You reunited in this life to fulfill a mission, to learn important lessons about love, forgiveness, and surrender. And now that this person is starting to awaken to the depth of what they feel, the angels are asking you for patience. This is a delicate moment, where their actions will be guided by the heart, but they still carry the scars of fear. The angels ask you to remain strong in your light, to keep being the source of love and understanding that you have always been. Because it's this energy that will help this person overcome the remaining barriers. The love they feel for you is what is guiding all movements now, and the angels are asking you to trust. Trust in the process, trust in divine timing, and above all, trust in yourself. What is about to happen will require from you not only love, but also patience and wisdom. This person is getting ready to take an important step, but needs to feel that the ground is safe. And you, with your loving energy, have the power to provide that security. The angels ask you to keep your heart open, to receive this person with compassion, and to remember that we all carry our own wounds. And it is through love that these wounds can be healed. The angels want you to prepare for the moment when this person will finally open up to you in a way they never have before. This will be a turning point, a moment when they will drop the masks, the armor that has protected them for so long, and will reveal what they truly feel. It will be a confession full of emotion, a venting of everything they have been holding inside, and that can no longer be contained. This process of revelation will not be easy for them. Even though the love they feel for you is strong, there is a deep fear of being hurt again, of exposing themselves too much, and not being reciprocated in the way they hope for. But the angels are guiding every step of this journey, both for them and for you. They ask you to stay calm and balanced because this is the moment when patience and understanding will be crucial. When this person finally opens up to you, you may realize how intense and real the connection between you is. This is not a common relationship, and the angels want you to understand that what is happening here has much deeper roots than just the physical plane. It is a spiritual connection, something that was planned by the angels long before you met. And now, after so much time, this person is starting to realize that. The angels also show that this movement, this revelation, may not come in the way you expect. It may not be through direct words, but through actions, gestures, or even small changes in behavior that indicate that something inside them is changing. It is important for you to pay attention to these signs, as they will be proof that this person is opening up, even if subtly at first. You may feel insecure at times, questioning if it is really what it seems. But the angels want you to trust your intuition. They are by your side, guiding your steps, and assure you that everything that is happening now is part of a larger plan, a divine plan that aims to bring true and deep love into your life that you have always deserved. For a long time, this person tried to fight what they felt. They tried to move on, maybe even gave signs that they were not so involved. But deep down, the angels show that they always knew that the connection between you was different. And now that they are ready to act, they will need your support, your understanding, and above all your love. This is the moment to trust the process. The angels are working behind the scenes, organizing events so that everything happens in perfect timing. It may seem like things are moving slowly, but remember that what is being built here is something solid, something that will last. And for this to happen, it is necessary for both you and this person to be fully prepared. The angels show that what is to come can transform your life in a way you never imagined. This revelation will bring not only the truth about this person's feelings, but also clarity about your own path. It will be as if all the pieces of the puzzle finally fit together, and you can see the complete picture of what the universe is preparing for you. So, keep the faith. Even though the path has been full of ups and downs, the angels assure you that the final destination will be wonderful. What is being built here is much greater than you can see now, and when everything finally comes to light, you will understand that every moment of waiting, every challenge, was worth it. The surprise that this person is preparing for you is not just an act of love, but a confirmation that you are on the right path. It is proof that true love always finds a way to flourish, even in the face of difficulties. And the angels are by your side, ensuring that everything will happen according to the divine plan. The angels show that as this revelation approaches, a new phase in your emotional life is about to begin. This will not only be a change in your relationship with this person, but also a profound transformation within you. Love, when true, has the power to transform us, and the angels want you to know that this transformation has already begun, both within you and this person. This journey, although full of surprises, will also require you to be strong and compassionate. There will be moments when this person may still hesitate, but the angels ask you to keep the faith. Even if the path is uncertain at some points, the love you share is solid. And what is happening now is just the beginning of something much larger, something that will flourish over time. The angels are asking you to cultivate patience. They show that what is being prepared for you is something that needs time to grow. Just as a tree needs deep roots to stand firm during storms, this love also needs time to strengthen its foundations. Every gesture, every word, every little action of this person is being carefully guided by the angels, so that everything happens at the right moment. And when that moment finally arrives, you'll be able to see clearly the path that the angels have opened for you. This love will flourish in a way that you may have never experienced before. It will be deeper, more sincere, and more transformative than anything you have lived. But for this to happen, you must keep your heart open and receptive. The angels also ask you to release any fear or doubt that you may still be holding on to. They know that past experiences may have left scars, and that these scars sometimes make us fear complete surrender. But they assure you that this is the time to leave the past behind and trust in the future that is being designed for you. A future full of love, light, and understanding. This person, though they have gone through moments of confusion and fear, is now ready to take the next step. And that step will change everything. The angels show that what is to come will require courage from both, but it will also bring a reward worth all the effort. This love is not ordinary, it was designed in spiritual plans, and therefore carries a special strength. It is a love that transcends time and space, a love that, once revealed, cannot be denied. The angels are preparing everything for this moment of revelation to happen at the right time. And when it arrives, you will realize that everything you have been through, every doubt, every weight, was essential for this love to blossom in the right way. They ask you to keep trusting, to keep being who you are, because your light, your energy, is what is drawing this person closer. You can expect moments of great emotion and, yes, great surprises. But know that these surprises are divine gifts, specially prepared for you. Everything that is happening now is part of a greater plan, a plan that the angels are guiding you to complete. And when everything is revealed, you will see that true love always finds a way to manifest. This is your moment. The moment to embrace this love with all your heart, to let the angels guide you to a new phase in your life. And above all, it is the moment to believe that you deserve to live this love to its fullest. The angels are by your side, holding your hand and opening the way for you to walk with confidence and peace. Allow your spirit to absorb these words and feel them resonate deeply within you. The universe wishes the best for you and will ensure a positive outcome, no matter what your choice is. Type, I absorb, receive, and accept my destiny and all that the universe has to offer me. To claim this message and the blessings contained in it for you, leave a positive comment for other viewers who may need a boost of positivity in their day. The universe sees this as an act of kindness. Let's uplift each other and create waves of good energy together. If you are not subscribed to the channel yet, subscribe now and stay tuned for the important message waiting for you in the next video. May God and the universe light your steps with peace, love, and faith. Amen.